Welcome. Today I will show you how you can enable or disable Snap Windows feature in your Huawei MateBook D15. So first we have to go for the settings, find system, then scroll down and go for the multitasking. As you can see, currently this option is enabled. So when I'm trying to snap my window, so I'm going to drag it for one of the edge, for example like here, it will be set up automatically. If you want to get rid of that, and if you don't want to make it automatically, you can turn it off and take a look right now. When I'm going for one of the corner, there's now this gray highlight of our window. And right now we have to make it manually. Like that, for example. In my case, I'm going to turn it on because for me it's a very useful feature and I always use it when I'm on my PC. But if you don't want, you can just turn it off like that. And you can also customize this option, so we can turn on or turn off one of the options by tapping on these markers right here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.